RapidPipeline has a handy add-on for Substance Painter, which can import CAD assets and automatically set them up for material assignment. Let's import this SolidWorks CAD file. Paintable UVs per material will create a UV atlas for each material. There are several options here to help import the CAD file. Look over the options and press Run. RapidPipeline imports the CAD file, tessellating and applying UVs, and applies the user-selected options. Here, we're just using the defaults. When it's done, you'll see the imported asset and the automatically generated UV layout for each material. The parts are all set up for editing. You can drag and drop materials and see the textures update on well-formed UVs. Surfaces are set up for painting right away. When you're done, simply export as desired. Here we're exporting to GLTF format. RapidPipeline provides a set of quick and easy tools that makes optimizing CAD assets a breeze. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.